Hello everyone, it's Peter here with GoodyReader.com unboxing video, and we have the WorldPenScan X by Pen Power. And yes, this is a immediately translate and highlight, is digital highlighter, effectively kind of like the Scanmarker Air and stuff like that, which had seemed to have been a pretty popular video on our YouTube channel. So we received this as a sample, so we're going to crack it open, show you everything that comes along in the box. Let's go over the checklist. You have your micro USB cable, your program CD, because this does require a program on your PC, quick start guide and warranty information, and the WorldPenScan itself. Let's look at the pen itself. You do have a piano white finish on the whole pen, except for this rubber part here, and that's because this is where, if you remove the cap, this is where the sensor is, so you'll be scanning the page like so, and we'll show all this in a full review video as well once we sync it up to our smartphone. And you have the button, which is a command button here. You have a light indicator. The logoing on the front is etched on. It's very nice. And all the information on the back. You also have an individual serial number and a charging port to charge it via USB. And that is everything that comes along in the box. Let us know if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns. Leave a comment down below. And for Goody Reader, this is Peter.